just wouldn't bite. I put my pole down, float around. It was just so quiet, and I could hear my old man saying, son, just be still.